Okay, Warren Buffett has said that anyone can achieve financial freedom if they just start investing and stick with it. I mean, it's not a path to get rich quick. It will take 20 or 30 years, but it is with minimal effort, and at the end, you'll amass a massive fortune. Just like this janitor, Ronald Reed, when he passed away, he had amassed $8 million. Okay, so here it is, Warren Buffett's #1 investing advice for beginners. Just buy the S&P 500 ETFs. Done. That's it. Nothing else. It is the simplest, the easiest, and it can generate massive returns. He believes in the S&P 500 so much that he even did a $1 million bet with hedge fund managers saying that the S&P 500 index, the ETF, will beat the actively managed hedge fund manager's portfolio. And he won. So in this video, I will share with you what is an ETF, what you should buy, and how you should buy it. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, and this channel is all about increasing your wealth. Okay, ETFs, what are they? They are exchange-traded funds, which is basically a basket of all these individual companies, their stocks, combined into one single tracking. And it's passively tracking all these companies. So for example, it can track all of the top 500 companies in the United States. It can track a specific sector like technology or oil industry, or it can track different countries such as China or Europe. So the ETFs get their individual ticker symbol just like any other stock like Apple, Google, Microsoft. So you can buy and sell on an exchange. Just think of an ETF like as if you are going to eat at a buffet, which has all sorts of international cuisines from Chinese, Japanese, to Pacific seafood, to West Coast, to European, Mexican, all sorts of these different types of cuisine into one place. So ETFs are a great entry point for beginner investors. So here are the benefits of why you should buy an ETF. #1, diversification. Like I said, you're buying all sorts of different companies in one single place, which means that if one of the stock doesn't do well, you'll kick them off and the next best one will come and replace that spot so that you're always getting the top companies. So there is no risk of running into, oh my God, this stock I bought is going bankrupt. Or a company's mission just isn't aligned with yours anymore and that you're just cringing. Should I sell? Should I not sell? So ETFs are great for diversification. #2, low fees. Compared to an actively managed mutual funds or hedge fund, ETFs are a lot cheaper in their fees. Usually ranges around 0.3% versus an actively managed funds that can be at 2% or 2.5%. So essentially, you're saving lots of money on the fees because the higher the fee, it's going to eat into your returns. But keep in mind, not all ETFs have low fees, so make sure you check them out. And I will tell you exactly what to buy that has low fees and great diversification. #3, they're easy. ETFs are simple with minimal effort. This is called passive investing, which means that you're not actively investing by looking into individual companies, checking out their financial statements, their management principles, all of these news around their product launch, how are they doing. You are getting rid of all those headaches. With ETFs, all you have to do is put your money in and buy and just wait. Be patient and just keep doing it consistently over the long run. So, how does ETF sound to you so far? Easy? Simple? Okay, now let's get into what to buy. So Warren Buffett's advice, just buy the S&P 500 ETFs. That's it. So the ticker symbol for that is VOO or IVV. VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 and the IVV is the iShare Core S&P 500. They are almost identical. They're just a different price point, and they both have a fee of 0.03%. And for those who are in Canada, if you are buying in Canadian dollars, I would suggest ZSP, the BMO S&P 500, or the VFV, which is the Vanguard S&P 500, but in Canadian dollars. Okay, so simple. How do you buy now? All you have to do is open up an online brokerage account like Wealthsimple, Interactive Broker, or if you're in Canada, you can do Quest Trade. So you basically follow the steps to open the account, and once you have a new account, you just go in, put some money, and start buying. Do it on a consistent basis. For example, if your paycheck comes out on the 15th or the last day of the month, remember to set aside money every time your paycheck comes out, and then just go into the account and just keep buying. Don't care about the price point because it's hard to time the market. Just think, 30 years down the road, the stock price will be much higher than it is now. So just don't think, just buy. And just think about what Warren Buffett said. Just buy the S&P 500, and over the long haul, you will amass a great fortune. Okay, and if you are thinking about venturing out to other markets, check out this next video on the best ETFs to buy. That is more than just the S&P 500 if you want to expand out and be more diversified in different markets or in different sector. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day and a financially blossoming life. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.